98% of car owners are completely unaware that their vehicle hides incredibly valuable features. Some could save your life in an emergency, while others can prevent thousands of dollars in unexpected repair costs. The best part is, most are right at your fingertips, just waiting to be activated. Watch this video to the end because the final features will surprise you and make you want to try them on your own car right away. This video was made to make your life better, so don't hold back on giving it a like. Starting with the first feature, the knock sensor, anti-detonation sensor. It's truly a silent guardian protecting the heart of your car. Detonation, also known as engine knock, happens when fuel ignites prematurely or unevenly in the combustion chamber. This creates powerful shock waves that can damage pistons, connecting rods, and even crack the engine block in just minutes. The knock sensor constantly listens to the engine, detecting the unique vibration frequencies of knock that human ears can't hear. When it senses a problem, it instantly adjusts ignition timing within milliseconds, preventing damage before it starts. This lets you drive worry-free, even if you accidentally use lower octane fuel or push the car in harsh conditions. Even better, the sensor learns your driving style to optimize performance and protection, more sensitive for aggressive driving, prioritizing fuel efficiency for gentler driving. In short, this smart technology saves you from repair bills that could reach tens of thousands of dollars without you needing to do anything extra. 2. Automatic headlight washers. It sounds minor, but it's a key to maintaining optimal visibility and ensuring safety, especially at night or in harsh weather. Dirty headlights can cut brightness by up to 50%, making it harder to see obstacles and slowing your reaction time. The automatic headlight washer system activates when you use the windshield washer, but only if the headlights are on and the system detects they haven't been cleaned in a certain distance. This saves washer fluid and only works when needed. Some high-end cars even have light sensors to measure lens clarity, washing only the dirtier side, like the left headlight when driving on muddy roads. The washer fluid isn't plain water. It contains special detergents to break down dirt and grease, with antifreeze properties to work in sub-zero temperatures. Some systems even include heated nozzles to prevent freezing. This feature quietly protects you every day, because clear light not only helps you see the road, but also ensures others can see you. 3. Timed air recirculation mode. This is one of those secrets that keeps your cabin, but few owners notice. When you turn on recirculation mode, the system reuses cabin air to cool or heat faster, blocking outside odors and dust. But if left on too long, CO2 levels rise, making you drowsy and less focused while driving. That's why many modern cars have a smart timer. After about 20 minutes, recirculation automatically switches to fresh outside air, maintaining air quality and protecting the health of everyone inside. In higher-end models, air quality sensors monitor outside pollution levels to decide whether to extend or shorten recirculation time. If the car detects you're passing through a dusty area, tunnel, or smoky zone, it keeps recirculation on longer to block toxic air. This feature runs quietly, without fanfare, but makes a big difference, protecting your health, boosting AC efficiency, saving energy, and reducing wear. Do you agree with this? Comment number 2 if you do. 4. Smart auto-folding mirrors. It seems like a small convenience, but it actually protects your car from costly risks. In many modern cars, the side mirrors automatically fold when your speed drops below about 3 mph and the car stops, preventing scrapes in tight parking lots or when parked close to the curb. In high-end models, the system pairs with GPS to remember places you often park, like your home garage or a cramped lot, and folds the mirrors as soon as you approach those spots. Some even use proximity sensors to measure the distance to obstacles, adjusting the fold just enough to avoid unnecessary movement or wear on the mechanism. This feature not only protects mirrors from scratches or breaks, but also reduces the risk of hitting pedestrians or cyclists when parked on busy streets. For those who often navigate tight parking spaces, it's like a silent gatekeeper, working automatically every day without you needing to think about it. 5. Programmable horn patterns. This is a secret language few drivers know about, but incredibly useful in many situations. Instead of a single default horn sound, some cars let you program different horn patterns to convey specific messages. For example, a short tap can be a polite hello to get someone's attention, while rapid taps signal an urgent warning. To set it up, hold the hazard button and press the horn in your desired rhythm, and the system saves up to 5 different patterns. Professional drivers, like instructors, often use this to communicate with students or coordinate in a convoy. The biggest benefit is avoiding misunderstandings or annoyance in minor situations while still having a strong signal for emergencies. Interestingly, the system recognizes both the duration and intensity of presses, giving each pattern a unique tone from gentle to assertive. 6. Memory for 3 recent cruise control speeds. This is a secret weapon for anyone driving through areas with varying speed limits. Normally, you'd have to reset cruise control each time, but this system stores the 3 most recently used speeds, even after the car is turned off. While in cruise control mode, quickly press the set button 3 times, and the system cycles through your saved speeds, letting you adapt instantly when entering a residential area, hitting the highway, or passing a construction zone. Long-distance drivers love this feature because it saves time, reduces unnecessary adjustments, and keeps you focused. Technically, the speed data is tied to your key, meaning each driver gets their own set of speeds. This makes it both convenient and personalized. Best of all, the system is smart enough to switch speeds smoothly, avoiding jerky transitions that can be annoying. 7. Steering wheel control learning mode. This is a lifesaver when you switch to a new device, like a phone or aftermarket entertainment system, and the steering wheel buttons don't work as expected. Instead of going to a shop for reprogramming, you can teach the steering wheel new commands at home. The process is simple. With the engine running, press and hold both the volume up and down buttons on the wheel for 15 seconds. The system enters learning mode, letting you press each button and assign a new function as desired. Car audio technicians often use this trick when installing aftermarket systems to sync controls quickly. Technically, the steering wheel buttons send generic signals, and learning mode creates a translation table to match each signal to a specific task on the new device. 8. Auto Stop Window Safety Feature. This is one of those safety systems many owners don't know about until it saves them from a dangerous situation. Ever wonder why your window sometimes stops or reverses slightly while rolling up? It's not a glitch, it's the anti-pinch feature. The system uses pressure sensors to detect any unusual resistance, even as light as 4 pounds, about the force of a gentle hand touch. If an obstacle is detected, the window reverses to prevent injury or damage. What's special is, you can fine-tune the sensitivity. Hold the window up button for 10 seconds after it's fully closed, and the motor recalibrates the force needed for safe closing. Auto technicians often do this after replacing glass or cleaning seals to ensure accurate detection. This feature not only protects passengers, especially kids, but also prevents windows from closing improperly or getting stuck due to dirt. If you're nodding in agreement, like the video now. 9. Quick Radio Preset Override. This small trick saves you time and frustration while driving. Many think changing a saved radio station requires navigating menus and manually saving. But most modern car radios let you override presets with one simple action. Just tune to the new station you want, then press and hold the preset button for about 5 seconds until you hear a beep confirming it's saved. The new station replaces the old one instantly. No complex menus are needed. The 5-second hold is long enough to prevent accidental overrides while driving, keeping your focus on the road. Professional drivers like DJs or those traveling between different broadcast areas love this trick because it's much faster than traditional methods. It not only saves time but also lets you flexibly save stations for different needs. Morning news, relaxing music for long drives, or traffic updates during rush hour. 10. Special Hazard Light Mode. This is a safety weapon most drivers don't know about, but can make a life or death difference during a roadside emergency. Normally, the hazard button makes all lights flash in a standard pattern, which can blend in with other stopped cars. But in some models, pressing the hazard button 3 times within 2 seconds activates a special mode with faster, alternating flashes, a standardized signal that emergency responders and other drivers instantly recognize as a true emergency. This pattern cuts through ambient traffic lighting, grabbing attention from far away, even in daylight. Roadside rescue experts say this mode significantly reduces the risk of rear-end collisions when your car is disabled in low-visibility areas. The system is programmed with an optimized flash cycle to save battery while maintaining visibility for hours. 11. Tire pressure sensor reset. It sounds simple, but can save you both time and money. Many drivers see the tire pressure warning light stay on after inflating tires, assume the sensor is faulty, and head to a shop, racking up costly diagnostic fees. In reality, most modern cars require you to reteach the tire pressure system the new pressure levels. The process is quick. With the engine running and the gear in park, find the tire pressure reset button, usually near the steering wheel. Then press and hold it for 10 seconds until the light flashes 3 times. This tells the system to register the current pressure of all 4 tires as the new baseline, clearing the old warning. Professional tire technicians do this dozens of times a day, but most drivers don't know it. Skipping this can lead to false warnings after tire changes, rotations, or big temperature swings. This not only causes annoyance, but also risks missing real, dangerous pressure issues. 12. Automatic Trunk Closure Assist. It's a small detail that showcases the thoughtfulness of car makers focused on user experience. Have you ever closed the trunk only for it to pop back up or not latch fully, forcing you to reopen and try again? This isn't just annoying. It can damage the latch or let dust and rainwater seep into the cargo area. On many modern cars, if the trunk is nearly closed but not fully latched, after about 3 seconds, you'll hear a soft motor gently pull it shut completely. The system uses sensors to detect when the trunk is just millimeters from fully closing, then activates a mechanism to secure it. The result is a smooth, safe, soft close that avoids harsh slams. Car wash attendants and delivery workers love this feature because it protects hinges and reduces mechanical wear. Plus, a fully sealed trunk improves sound insulation and maintains cabin temperature, especially in extreme heat or cold. 13. Climate Control Habit Memory. It sounds simple, but it's an invisible assistant that keeps you comfortable without manual adjustments. Instead of just saving the last temperature you set, this system is far smarter. It tracks every temperature tweak you make, compares it to data from outdoor temperature, humidity, and sunlight sensors, and builds a habit profile unique to you. After a few weeks, the car automatically adjusts the climate control when you start it, predicting the exact temperature you want for each weather condition. For example, on a scorching 95-degree Skirf day, it might cool more aggressively, or, on a crisp morning, it gently maintains a comfortable breeze without over-chilling. 14. Door Handle Light Sensor. This is a detail that surprises many with its sophistication and safety benefits. More than just courtesy lighting, this system uses infrared sensors to detect your body from up to 6 feet away. As you approach, lights on the door handles, keyhole, and nearby ground automatically turn on, making it easy to find your keys and open the door without fumbling in the dark. What's special is that it's programmed to distinguish human body heat from other sources, like a nearby car engine or sunlight, ensuring it only activates when needed. The light stays on for about 30 seconds after you stop moving, giving you enough time to open the door and get in safely. 15. Enhanced Reverse Lighting. This is a detail most owners overlook, but it makes a clear difference in safety when maneuvering at night. When you shift into reverse, the car's electronics automatically boost headlight brightness by about 20% and activate side or puddle lights. The goal is to widen the illuminated area, helping you spot obstacles, curbs, or pedestrians behind you more clearly. The system also slightly lowers the headlight angle to avoid blinding oncoming drivers while optimizing road visibility. Delivery drivers and rideshare operators especially value this feature for safely backing into tight alleys or crowded lots. Some high-end models pair it with distance sensors and a rear-view camera, displaying visual warnings on the center screen. 16. Auto-lock door programming. This is one of those silent shields that protects you and your passengers from potential dangers. Many don't know you can set your car to automatically lock all doors when it reaches about 12 to 15 mph. This is especially useful at stoplights in busy areas or when driving through remote roads, reducing the risk of someone unexpectedly opening a door. Activating it is simple. With the engine running and in park, press and hold the door lock button on the center console for about 5 seconds. A single beep confirms it's enabled. To disable, repeat the process, and a double beep signals it's off. Rideshare drivers and parents with kids love this feature for added peace of mind while focusing on driving. 17. Vanity mirror light timer. It seems minor but shows the finesse in car design. Many think vanity mirrors are just for quick touch-ups, but few know the lights are smartly programmed to protect your battery. When you flip down the sun visor and open the mirror, the light turns on, making touch-ups easy even in low light. But if you forget to close it, there's no need to worry about draining the battery. The system automatically turns off the light after exactly 10 minutes, even if the mirror stays open. This duration isn't random. It's calculated based on the average time for touch-ups without significantly impacting battery life. These hidden features may be small, but their value is huge, from enhancing safety and convenience to saving thousands in repair costs. If you master and use them, your car will run better and last longer. Don't let these valuable tips go to waste. Check out our other videos to keep uncovering fascinating and practical car secrets, helping you drive smarter and safer every day.